Hello everyone, and welcome to the Goneedle channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to curve text in Cricut Design Space. So to start, let's select an image. Just scroll down, choose anything you like. It doesn't really matter. Just insert that image, bring it into here. Now for the curving text part, what you're going to do is go to the left side panel and select text. From there you can type whatever you like. I'll keep it simple. Flamingo. From here I'm going to bring it on top of the image just so it has a frame. You can select the entire thing and go to the top, click align and center horizontally just to keep it nice and clean. From here you're going to want to select the text, go to the top, and then you'll see right over here it'll say curve. You can tap this and it'll give you a slider. You can either slide to change the curve or you can type in a number to change the curve. I'll keep it simple and use the slider so you can see what's happening. So as you can see, you can slide it to the right to make it curve down, or you can slide it to the left to make it curve up, whichever you'd like for your project. For mine, I'll keep it simple. I'll slide it down around this flamingo, something like that. Sounds good. I'll move it down just a little bit. And there you go. You successfully curved text in Cricut Design Space. Thank you.